So this year's prosperity bowl is composed of glutinous rice, 12 pieces of eggs, 12 pieces of kiat-kiat, 12 pieces of round chocolate, 8 pieces of coins. Coins must be the same amount. If you use 1 peso, you should have 8 pieces 1 peso. If you use 5 pesos, it should be 5 pesos. It should be in the same amount. And so with the money, it should be 8 pieces. And for me, I wrap it with golden cellophane and tie it with red and 8 pieces of bay leaf. So that's it. Happy New Year, everyone. May our year 2023 be prosperous and peaceful.